Hello, my name is Nathaniel Hadian Alston. So today we are going to present about memory, type and its functions. This slide is prepared for Madam Nurul Huda Izati binti Jamil. Introduction. Memory is ability to store, and it is the process of absorbing information from the environment, processing it, storing it, and recalling it later. There are three stages of psychology: encoding, storage, retrieval.
Hello, my name is Serenius. Next is purposes of ROM and RAM. First, I'm going to talk about ROM. ROM capacity works great for casual gamers and basic multimedia users. It can handle multiple programs open at one time and new technologies so that users do not have to upgrade when their needs change. Meanwhile, for the employee that are work in office or students that need to use Microsoft Office, ROM helps to handle an average user's tasks such as web browsing, working in Word document, and emailing with ease. For RAM, if the students taking courses that are related with editing photos, RAM can help to give smoother performance and better photos handling with larger elements of RAM. Meanwhile, for the office worker or students that always using documents, they can do a lot of work with 4 GB of RAM.
Okay, next I'm going to talk about product features. Random access memory, all stand for RAM. First is static random access memory, SRAM. Static random access memory, SRAM, is a type of random access memory that stores each bit using latching circuitry. SRAM is a volatile memory, meaning that data is lost when the power is turned off. Second is dynamic random access memory, or stand for DRAM. DRAM is a type of semiconductor memory that store data of programs, code that a computer processor need to functions. Next product feature is read-only memory, or ROM. First is program read-only memory, PROM. A program read-only memory is a type of digital memory which each bit configuration is locked by a fuse or anti-fuse. It is particular from a read-only memory. They contain permanent data that cannot be modified. Second, erasable programmable read-only memory. EPROMs, or erasable programmable read-only memories, are programmable read-only memories, chip that preserve their data even when their power supply is turned off. Non-volatile memory is computer memory that can be retrieved after a power supply has been turned off and on. Next product feature is EEPROM. EEPROM stands for electrical erasable programmable read-only memory. It's a type of non-volatile memory used in computer, microcontrollers, for smart card and remote killer system and other electronic device to store retrievably small amount of data. Last is flash memory, is a electronic non-volatile computer memory storage medium that can be electrically erased and reprogrammed. The two main type of flash memory, non-flash and NAND flash, are named for NOR and NAND logic gates. This is the image of NOR and NAND flash memory. So that's all from me. I'm going to pass to my next group member to present. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Evelyn, and I'll be explaining about the advantages of RAM. Starting from RAM, stand for Static Random Access Memory. The advantages of using RAM, where it includes operates more quickly as compared to DRAM. Not only that, when it comes to power consumption, it only consumes a medium power consumption. And last but not least, the reason why it does not require pausing between access is because RAM has shorter cycle. The next one is DRAM, which is stand for Dynamic Random Access Memory. Is a low cost of manufacturing, but at the same time, it also provides greater memory capacities, which allow user to build a large RAM space system. Besides that, DRAM also provide a straightforward structure, so people will easily know and understand how it works. So I'll be explaining about the advantages of ROM, where it is divided into 5 parts, starting from ROM itself, stand for read-only memory. Because it is static and does not require to be refreshed constantly, and it is simple to put to test. The next one is, it is due to its non-volatile characteristics, it cannot be accidentally changed and more reliable as compared to RAM, and it is also way more cheaper as compared to RAM. Sorry. The next one is PROM, which is stand for Programmable Read-Only Memory. The programming can be done with a variety of software and does not require the program to be hardwired to the chip, as it is impossible to unblow the fuse, and the data authenticity will be preserved, and it is impossible to remove or alter the contents. The next one is EPROM, which is stand for Erasable Program Read-Only Memory. It is non-volatile, so the memory remains inside even when the power is turned off. Not only that, it does not require external memory, and EPROM is very efficient and programmable, where the data stored inside can be reprogrammed and erased. The third one is EEPROM, which is stand for Electrically Erasable Programmable Read-Only Memory. It allows the data can be erased by using ultraviolet light in a shorter time. This EEPROM can be reprogrammed and erased without being removed from the circuit. Lastly is flash memory. Flash memory offers advantages such as speed-high transferring process. The next one is the form factor, where it provides large space storage in different form of flash memory, either it is big or small. Besides that, it also has a longer lifespan, which is it provides up to 10 years or more, and they still continuously working to improve their reliability. And lastly, it is efficiency. And lastly, it is efficient, where it does not consume more energy to work and does not provide sound at all while working. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Yannick Malvin Basir, and I'm going to continue the presentation. First, for the limitation, RAM limitation is when to compare with ROM, it is a very slow process. If the CPU wants to read data from RAM, the cache and the registers are not used. RAM is volatile, makes it difficult to store data for an extended period of time. Data loss might occur due to unexpected situations such as power outage. It is also expensive. For ROM limitations, first, it cannot be changed because ROM is a read-only memory. Next, keeping data on permanent basis has its own set of disadvantages, such as making it difficult to modify data for a certain length of time. Although RAM is expensive, data can be changed multiple times on it at the same time, but not with ROM. It is also inexpensive, but has a lot of disadvantages than RAM. Here is our conclusion. To summarize, computer memory is the storage area in computers where data to be processed and processing instructions are stored. Data and instructions are stored in the main memory so that they can be accessed immediately by the CPU. Random access memory RAM and read-only memory ROM are the two main types of main memory.